Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGICIAN Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This isn't just another mini PC, it's one of the first to feature Intel's brand new Twin Lake N150 processor. With 4 cores and 4 threads and a max turbo frequency of 3.6 GHz, the N150 brings significant improvements over the older N100, N95, and N97 models. We're talking about a 28 to 32% boost in performance and around 23% better graphics processing, making this micro machine faster and more capable for everyday tasks, office work, and even light creative workloads. Out of the box, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which means it's ready for business, school, or home office use the moment you plug it in. Now let's talk about what makes this machine shine in real-world use. Despite its tiny size, just under 4 inches square and barely over an inch thick, the ACEMAGICIAN Mini PC delivers a full-featured desktop experience. You get 16 GB of fast DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB SSD, which makes multitasking smooth and fast. Boot times are near instant, and file transfers are quick. Whether you're working with multiple browser tabs, editing spreadsheets, or even watching 4K content, this machine keeps up with the ease. And if 256 GB isn't enough for your needs, no worries. You can easily upgrade the storage using an M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD or M.2 SATA SSD, expanding up to 2 TB. That's more than enough for documents, apps, media files, and project backups. What's really impressive is the connectivity and expandability packed into such a small form factor. You get dual 4K display support through HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4. Whether you're setting up a productivity station or streaming media to your TV or projector, the visuals are sharp and smooth thanks to Intel UHD graphics with 24 execution units and AV1 decoding. And with dual display support, multitasking gets much easier. Run Zoom on one screen while taking notes on the other, or watch a movie while keeping your email open. It's a big screen experience from a device that fits in your hand. When it comes to ports, this little PC is surprisingly well equipped. It includes 2 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Gigabit Ethernet, a 3.5mm audio jack, and both HDMI and DisplayPort. It also features Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, so you can connect wireless keyboards, mice, headsets, and even speakers without a hassle. Another thoughtful design feature is the built-in cooling system. The upgraded axial fan runs quietly, even under load, keeping the internals cool without disrupting your work or entertainment. The metal chassis not only looks premium, but also helps dissipate heat efficiently. And yes, it comes with a Visa mount, so you can attach it behind your monitor or under your desk to keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. What about durability and support? ACEMAGICIAN includes a 2-year quality guarantee and lifetime technical support. That's rare for this price category and provides serious peace of mind. To sum it all up, if you're a student, remote worker, content creator, or just someone looking for a clean, quiet, and efficient mini desktop, the ACEMAGICIAN Mini PC with the N150 processor delivers big performance in a small footprint. It's affordable, upgradable, and versatile, perfect for office work, light productivity, education, or home entertainment. And let's be honest, it's pretty amazing that a computer this small can do so much.